Hi, so this is what you will find inside Soul Bowls with Encaustic Wax and Plaster. So on signing up, you'll be emailed a login. You receive instant access to the online course. So you will receive an email with how to log in and your joining link. And then once you're inside, this is what you're going to be which you'll be logging into. So there are 7 lessons in this particular workshop. There's a little bit about myself over on the left hand side, and then there are, straightforward, straight into lessons. So there is an equipment list of the items you're going to need. There's like one main overview masterclass. I think that's about 25 minutes long from memory, where we kind of go through and sort of step by step show you exactly what we're going to be doing. We then have a couple of live demos. So these are recordings from our monthly Zoom calls that we have throughout the month. And then there was some additional supplementary content that I put on, and some photos as well. And then these are some pictures that the course members created. So there's more information about all of that in there, and then there's a section on what next. So if the Soul Bowls project has whetted your appetite, I've got a host more resources that you can jump in and get involved with. So I hope you enjoy it. Any questions, let me know. But otherwise, you can find all the information or you can email me, julie@artyheaven.com, or go to my website, www.artyheaven.com. Alrighty, hope to see you inside. Take care.